होला Voyages, welcome back to our channel Travel with Soul Voyage. मैं हूँ हिमानी and if your next travel destination is Hong Kong, stay tuned because आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं how to fill Hong Kong PAR card. And in case you have any queries about your Hong Kong PAR card, comment down in the section below and we will address it. First of all, you need to go to the Hong Kong Immigration Department website, accept all the terms and conditions to start filling your PAR card. Once it loads, you need to fill out all the details that are given in your passport and make sure you are entering all the details as per the passport only. For instance, if your place of birth is Agra and your passport states Agra, Uttar Pradesh, so make sure that you are filling Agra, Uttar Pradesh and not just Agra. You need to give out your personal details like your birth date and residential address along with your telephone number, passport number and your place of issue of passport. While filling place of issue of passport, again take care of the name of the place that is mentioned in your passport. So once all these details are filled, you need to click on no if you haven't visited Hong Kong in past 3 years. If you have visited, you need to give out details so that they can fetch the prior visit information as well. Next, you move on to the previous countries that you have visited. It helps you build your case stronger and you will get the PAR card very easily if you have traveled multiple countries before. It shows that you are not going to settle down in the Hong Kong region as an immigrant. Next comes your occupation, so you can fill in your occupation if you have your own business, service or you are studying. Then also you can enter the details. Coming on to part F, you need to mention the details for what is the purpose of your visit, and along with it you need to provide address of accommodation. So whatever hotel you have booked, you can either copy paste the full address from Google, otherwise if you mention the name of the hotel, it will give you options along with address, so you can easily choose from there. It's fairly straightforward. After clicking on continue, you need to give out details about the hotel reservation, because this hotel reservation needs to be it's checked even at the immigration at Hong Kong or while entering Macau. These details will be checked. Once these are filled, you need to give out details about the security question. Make sure to keep in mind what the security question you have chosen, in case later sometime you need to fetch the details from Hong Kong PAR card. This security question will be helpful for that. After just check that all the details are correctly mentioned and then proceed. Once you confirm and continue, you will get the form along with all the details that you have mentioned. Once you are satisfied with all the details, you can check the boxes giving your confirmation about correction of the details and agreement to the terms and conditions. After proceeding, this will take some time and you will get your PAR card result then and there. You don't need to wait for a long time. So here is my PAR card, it got accepted. I'll take a download of the copy and make sure to take a printout of this, otherwise it would be very expensive at the Hong Kong airport. Thank you guys for watching this video and I hope you found it useful and helpful for your upcoming trip. और आगे वाली वीडियोस में we are going to talk about how to plan your Hong Kong trip seamlessly. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe.